Are you looking for the best cordless soldering iron? In this video, we will break down the top 6 cordless soldering irons on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. Hakko FX901/P Cordless Soldering Iron. The Hakko Cordless Soldering Iron is another portable unit powered by AA batteries. It can produce temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 120 minutes of use. It includes an on-off switch along with a protective cover for added safety. It also has interchangeable tips. This unit is ideal for small, hard-to-reach projects such as appliance repair or even areas on your vehicle. The battery performance life has a good temperature range that is capable of heating up both lead-free and lead-based solder. The included protective cover is a nice feature that other models do not have. Whether you are working on electrical repairs or metal crafts, the Hakko has you covered. Since the device boasts a power switch, protective cap, and LED indicator light, it's one of the safest soldering irons for beginners. One complaint of note was that it took forever to heat up enough to melt the solder, and that it heated intermittently even with fresh batteries. At number 2. Weller BL60MP Cordless Soldering Iron. The BL60MP series of cordless soldering irons is one of the most popular on the market. It's ultimately one of the lightweighted and simple cordless soldering iron designs. Despite its small and compact size, it can get charged up quickly to 536 degrees in just 35 seconds only and can rise to 950 degrees Fahrenheit. This cordless soldering iron has a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a durable charging station. More than 1,100 joints in a single charge enable users to charge in 45 minutes. The handle of the soldering iron is ergonomic with its round and co-molded design. This does not strain the palm of your hand while you are soldering using the gun. The battery will give you a maximum of 45 minutes of working time when on a single charge. This cordless battery soldering iron is the best choice with a wide range of advanced home applications. It comes with a massive 7 years manufacturer's warranty from the date of purchase. At number 3. Lexivon Butane Soldering Iron. The iron boasts 125 watts of power, reaching over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The iron's refillable fuel tank is made from high-quality leak-proof metal. The iron and 13 other accessories are packed neatly into a hard carry case. Its torch is capable of reaching very high temperatures. Easy-to-read instructions and well-made accessories make operations easy. What's more, the butane fuel provides users enhanced freedom. Since the device can be used with and without tips, you can use it to pull off a lovely creme brulee as well as some amazing electric work. When it is not being used as a soldering iron, you can also adjust the flame from 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches size as well. The working temperature of this iron goes up to as high as 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit, highest for a normal battery-powered machine. There is a protective cap included in the box as well. It also has a 2-year manufacturer's warranty from the date of purchase, which can be availed through the registration. At number 4. Self-igniting soldering iron and heat tool kit. Self-igniting soldering iron and heat tool kit cordless self-igniting refillable butane gas-powered soldering iron and heat tool. It converts to a powerful blowtorch, flameless hot air blower, or hot knife. It is a durable and reliable soldering station. This fantastic gas soldering kit features an ultrasonically welded gas tank to avoid leakage. This butane tool heats up in less than 30 seconds and has a continuous runtime of 2 hours. Another feature of this device is the adjustable temperature control. The temperature ranges from 25 to 125 watts. The tank can also be easily refilled with butane lighter gas in about 10 seconds. This kit comes with 7 soldering tips and a safety cutoff switch for extra security. These high-ended features make this tool ideal to be used in the automotive, aircraft, marine, and electronic jobs. The Portasol tool is safe and made to last, and a 1-year limited warranty backs it. At number 5. Milwaukee M12 Soldering Iron. The Milwaukee M12 battery-powered soldering iron features the red lithium battery technology and gives up to 40 minutes of runtime. The onboard indicator light shows you when your temperature is right for soldering, while a handy storage stand keeps it out of harm's way until its next use. It delivers fast application speeds by reaching operational temperature in under 18 seconds and maintaining an optimized temperature throughout the most demanding applications. This 18-volt chugger cordless rechargeable soldering iron can do it all from big jobs to small ones. The 3-stop pivoting head is perfect for tight angles, and the tool does a great job of repairing broken wires and bad connections with ease. These rechargeable batteries are included, so you don't have to worry about lugging around your tools or another corded iron soldering setup, because this one has an incorporated LED light that will give you a better view of the area where you're working while heating up in less than 20 seconds. 750 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough for any project no matter how large or small. The heat indicator utilizes RedLink intelligence to notify users when the tool is ready to use and safe to store, eliminating the guesswork. At number 6. PowerPro Butane Soldering Kit. The PowerPro Butane Soldering Kit has adjustable output regulation and customizable heat output. This soldering iron can be used in any position and will keep a consistent flame. This butane-powered best cordless soldering irons has easily refillable with butane and high operating time. The max flame temperature of this cordless soldering irons is 930 degrees Fahrenheit. This butane soldering iron comes in an organized hardy case containing several useful accessories: hot knife, hot point, heat shrink shield, soldering tip, adjustment wrenches, sponge, tray, and of course, a roll of rosin solder. It has a 120-watt 500 BTU kit that includes a soldering tool, 3 soldering tips, 1 injection tip, 1 hot knife, 1 heat shield, and 1 tube of solder. A warranty of 1 year is also provided on this butane soldering iron. Lightweight, ergonomic, and cordless, this kit brings excellent value for money, and it is great for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.